We're here with Cyril Reyes, who is the General Manager of Italianis at Boni High Street. Hello, Cyril.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. This is going to be a fun day, I think.
Yeah, ma'am.
What do you have in store for bloggers today?
Well, right now, we want to show what we're campaigning, which is the extraordinary, where every guest or every table of our restaurant can get an extra without extra cost.
Really? And this comes in the form of what?
Well, in the form of generosity, we're giving freebies like free appetizers, free entree, and free desserts.
Mm-hmm. Why did Italianis think of this concept?
Well, right now, all of the people were experiencing crisis, and we want to show that while everybody's giving a price increase, we're giving extras.
Oh, okay. And this is true for all customers that come in?
Yes. Whether it's first timer or regular guests, we treat everyone with equally. So we're giving extras in all our guests.
And how long is this promo going to be?
Well, as long as we can.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, good luck to you, and we're going to have fun later.
Yeah.
Okay.
Enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you for hosting us. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.